These are some of the weaknesses what we have. And another thing is, whatever happens with ammonia, even a small leak, it is inflated like it is a disaster, and any damage to the cold store or any accident in the cold store is always treated as it is because of ammonia, and people bent upon saying that ammonia has to be banned. So everywhere when there is ammonia leak, the culprit is, if everywhere there is an accident in the cold storage, the culprit is ammonia, it is treated like that, and people jumped upon saying that ban ammonia. So this is a very tragic situation, without understanding, without knowledge. And why this happens? This happens because of lack of standards, lack of norms to be followed. Considering all this situation, Association of Ammonia was formed about 2012, and we are training. If we see, we have 39 corporate members, which you can say people are from Europe, USA, Japan, and China. Most of the technology centers, which are treated as the best technical know-how people in the world, they are corporate members of AAR. And we have a MOU with Euromon. We are already sharing the technical information and knowledge with these our associates. And we have 250 individual members who are contributing. And the standard what we have created, it was contribution of all these multinational companies who are our member, plus our 250 individual members who are working extensively only in ammonia. These are the standards what we have prepared. One is standard for safe design closed circuit system. We are closely working with the ministry and we have offered this to the ministry that you convert this into IS standard. This is a voluntary work we are doing. And we have publications like cold storage load calculations to guide the people. We have trained almost 6,000 people in last 4 years for ammonia, which is the most important thing that we need to train people. This is what we have contributed in last 4 years. What we expect, what we feel that EU and India can join hands for what? Related with ammonia industry. We have to create a common platform for sharing knowledge, latest technology, and experience in making plants safe and energy efficient and cost-effective solution suitable for Indian conditions. We cannot adopt whatever is in Europe or Germany or wherever it is. We have to make it suitable for Indian conditions. Share and expertise and knowledge to build low-charge ammonia system, which is a need of the hour. The trend in the world is to build low-charge ammonia system, and the knowledge is available with Europe, and which we can very well use it with common platform. Share the knowledge and developing inspection norms. As what I said, we are lacking in that. We can use your expertise and jointly develop inspection norms suitable for Indian condition. Create awareness and knowledge by a training program. Share expertise for HVAC system. What I understand is the multinational companies, in most of the cases like Hong Kong airport and other large public places, are now air conditioned using ammonia chillers. If that knowledge can be shared and expertise can be shared, we can have a large air conditioning system using ammonia packages. That knowledge also we can share and make it indigenized. And further developing whatever base we